Now that we live in a house, a lot of things are changing. Because we used to live in an apartment on a street with all apartment buildings, so it was crowded, noisy, we didn't have a yard. Now we live in a neighborhood with just houses, and I have a backyard with nature. And weird noises. Like sounds I've never even heard before. Weird, like... I don't know what that is. And that's scary, because I don't know those sounds. Because where I used to live, I'm used to hearing sounds that are more like, woo, 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 woo. Like the sound of somebody getting arrested out front, that make me feel safe. Because as soon as I hear that, woo, 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 I'm like, yeah, get him. But who gonna come get this monster in my backyard? It was crazy. I couldn't even sleep at night. I had to buy one of those like sleep sound machines from Brookstone. But this one was the model for people who moved out the hood. It's called Urban Nature Sounds. It's real good, it's real good. It has police sirens, dogs barking, the couple fighting next door.